Hey everyone, it's Marcus. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're focusing on a super important area for overall health and fitness, the lower back. A strong lower back not only helps prevent injuries, but also improves your posture and supports your body during everyday activities. Whether you're sitting at a desk all day or hitting the gym, these exercises will make a world of difference. In this video, I'm sharing 6 easy exercises that you can do anywhere to strengthen your lower back. No equipment needed, just your body and a little bit of motivation. Let's get started. Our first exercise is the pelvic tilt. This one's a great warm-up and helps you connect with your core muscles. Lie down on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor, just like you're about to do a glute bridge. Now, imagine you're trying to touch the ceiling with your tailbone. Gently tilt your pelvis upwards, pressing your lower back into the ground. You should feel your abdominal muscles engaging. Hold that tilt for a couple of seconds, really feeling those muscles working, and then slowly release back down. That's 1 rep. Try to focus on smooth, controlled movements throughout the exercise. No need to rush. Keep your breathing steady and deep as you continue. Aim for 10 to 15 repetitions. And remember, quality over quantity. It's better to do fewer reps with perfect form than to rush through them. Let's move on to the cat-cow stretch. This one's a classic for a reason. It feels amazing on your back. Start on your hands and knees, with your hands directly below your shoulders and your knees hip-width apart. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your chest and tailbone. This is your cow pose. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin. This is your cat pose. Flow between these poses, focusing on your breath. Time for the bird dog. This exercise is fantastic for strengthening your core and improving your balance. Start on your hands and knees again, just like you did for the cat-cow. Engage your core muscles and lift your right arm and left leg simultaneously. The goal is to keep your body in a straight line from your fingertips to your toes. Hold this position for a few seconds, really focusing on keeping your core engaged and your back flat. You should feel your lower back working to stabilize your body. Slowly lower your arm and leg back to the starting position and repeat on the other side. That's 1 rep. Try to keep your movements slow and controlled throughout the exercise. If you find yourself wobbling, don't worry. It just means your muscles are working hard. Aim for 10 to 15 repetitions on each side. And remember to breathe deeply throughout the exercise. Let's move on to the bridge exercise. Strengthen your glutes and hamstrings to support your lower back. Lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat. Press through your heels, lift your hips, and squeeze your glutes. Form a straight line from shoulders to knees. Hold, then lower, back, down. That's 1 rep. Keep your core engaged to protect your back. Time to channel your inner superhero with the Superman exercise. This one directly targets your lower back muscles, helping to improve strength and stability. Lie face down on the floor with your arms extended forward and your legs straight behind you. Imagine you're Superman flying through the air. Engage your core and lift your arms, chest, and legs off the ground simultaneously. You should feel your lower back muscles working to lift you up. Hold this position for a few seconds, really feeling the contraction in your lower back, and then slowly lower back down. That's 1 rep. As you perform the exercise, keep your neck relaxed and in line with your spine. Avoid any strain in your neck by looking straight down at the floor. Aim for 10 to 15 repetitions. And remember to breathe deeply throughout the exercise. We've worked hard, so let's finish with a relaxing child's pose. This is a great stretch for your entire back, and it also helps to calm your mind. Start on your hands and knees, then bring your big toes together and sit back on your heels. If your heels don't reach your glutes, you can place a pillow or blanket on your calves for support. Now walk your hands forward and lower your chest towards the floor. Rest your forehead on the mat and extend your arms out in front of you. Hold this pose for at least 30 seconds, breathing deeply and allowing your spine to lengthen. You should feel a gentle stretch in your back, hips, and shoulders. This is a restorative pose, so feel free to stay here for as long as you like. Close your eyes. Focus on your breath and let your body completely relax. And that's it for our lower back workout. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to building strength and preventing injuries. Try incorporating these exercises into your routine a few times a week. As always, it's important to listen to your body and stop if you feel any pain. If you have any pre-existing conditions, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new exercise program. Thanks for working out with me today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel for more fitness tips and workouts. See you in the next one.